Show me. Show me. Show me.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Oh. Oh. Swinging all wild,
He's a
man.
little wild there, Andy.
Yeah. Swinging all
A
wild.
little wild, eh?
You are.
That's
Wild man. You are.
Sorry.
Or have her sit here.
Still wild man. Just still wild man.
Hey, Dad,
Whoa.
yeah, baby.
get a chance. Happy Father's Day.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wild man. Yes, you are.
It's for your dad.
Whoa. Where you going?
We got a couple Kodak moments here.
Yeah, I just hope he sleeps good tonight.
Yes.
Do this.
Hey,
What? A little snack.
What?
what are you doing?
What?
Huh? Hey, Zach.
Oh yeah.
Show him, Candy. Show him.
Don't clap that.
Show me. Show me. Keep showing him. Show him again. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Yay!
There he goes.
Yay! Good boy, Zach.
Good boy. Can he say Happy Father's Day? Say
He
Happy
gave me a
Father's
card
Day.
in church.
Did he?
Yeah. He put a little pen in his hand. He was scribbling on the paper.
Oh, really? Oh, how neat.
You want to show me when we get home?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. Yay!
Dan says he's a flirt.
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
Shoot.
you flirt. You are. He picks up women everywhere, John, even in the pool. We were leaving. I had just changed him, and we were leaving, and this Mexican lady walks in, and she looks at him, and she goes, "Ay, niño, qué precioso." She's going, "Oh, what a pretty baby." And
You're
he
a
just,
little flirt.
yeah, he just staring at her. Yeah, you are.
boy.
You big flirt. Yes, you are. You big flirt, picking up women everywhere. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I know I'm done.
Picking up women everywhere. Oh, Nana, wait till I'm old.
What you doing there, Zach?
Did they tell you at the restaurant when we went to go eat at Applebee's, John?
Yeah.
And he was in the aisle in his
Oh,
chair,
good.
and this older couple walked in, and he looked over towards that lady, and she looked at him, and she started waving at him, and he started flirting. Oh my
You'd have
God!
thought it was one of those teenage magic moments. Teenager magic moment or something.
He would not keep his eyes off that woman, and
And-
she kept flirting with him, and he just turning right back and giving her some too.
I don't know how good that is.
I know. I know.
That might get him in trouble.
Trouble down the road.
That was his great grandmother he was flirting with.
That could be deep trouble down the road.
Big
Huh?
goof, you big goof.
Whoa, where are you going? Huh? You gonna lean forward or you gonna lay back? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, big goof.
Whoa.
Big goof.
Oh boy. Yeah, go ahead. That's just like somebody gonna be in a roller coaster someday. Hold on the reins.
Come on, shake it.
You're welcome, dear.
Hey, Junior. What are you up to?
Say Happy Father's Day.
Hey,
Can we
what are
say
you
Happy
doing?
Father's Day?
What are you doing? Hey, yeah, okay. Here we go.
Yeah, silly boy.
Is that cute?
You could not.
I figured you'd like it. Boy, it was.
Quit it. I'm gonna get your toes. Dad, get your toes.
He's swinging right now. He learns to swing. Swing. It'll tire him out. Hopefully he'll sleep all night.
What?
Hopefully he'll sleep all night. Right?
Show me. Show me.
Did you like your stuff? I know you said you didn't want a mug, but you drink hot chocolate and hot tea. So you can take it to work and use it for your pens.
Do you really? Ovaltine? You ever have Ovaltine?
I don't remember.
I make Ovaltine all the time for Dennis in the wintertime.
There's like clouds are moving in again.